I've always been saying this thing that Interlink is going to cook just like pie, or Interlink is going to cook way more than pie. And in this video, I'm going to share all the accomplishments of Interlink in just 1 year. But before I do that, a big congratulations to Interlink, because the Interlink testnet is actually live. Just in case you don't know, Interlink is a layer 1 blockchain. And Interlink, they have their native blockchain, which is called the Interlink chain. And that's the essence of them doing this Interlink testnet. They want to test the Interlink chain. So they're actually going to give you some faucet tokens. Then the verified human nodes, you can claim your tITL token. Then you can now interact with the first phase of the Interlink chain. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all of this and how you can be able to do it. And they say this is more than a tool. This is the first time the human network has ever touched its own native infrastructure. They now came here to tell you what the faucet token, that's this tITL, actually unlocks. Claim tITL to experiment with transactions, test smart contracts, and explore the app interactions on Interlink chain. Experience the 3 to 5 seconds deterministic finality firsthand. Provide feedback that directly shapes the path to mainnet. So what this means is that Interlink is preparing for their mainnet. You know, before every layer 1 blockchain is going to go mainnet, there will have to be a testnet. You have to test the platform to be sure that things are moving smoothly, there is no error. Then when everything is 100% setting, then they can now go mainnet. I believe that's clear enough. So now, what are the eligibility requirements before you can actually get this tITL token? Your wallet must be linked to an active login ID. So what that means is that you must have created an ITLS wallet and it has to be linked to an active Interlink account. Then that your account must have completed your face verification. That same account must have a mining streak of at least 6. That means that you should have mined for 6 consecutive days back to back. And now look at what they said. Each successful claim grants 0.01 tITL token. So I'm actually going to show you how you can be able to claim that, okay? So if you come here, you can see this link, but there's no need of actually tapping on this because it's going to carry you into your app. So I'm just going to the app and show you what you need to do, okay? So just open your Interlink app like this. The moment your Interlink app opens up, now start checking on this, okay? You can see it scrolling, so let me scroll. You can see it here, this N free ITL testnet now. I'll just come and tap on this in now, so I'll tap on it. This is what you're going to do. You locate it and tap on it. As long as you have created an ITLS wallet, it is going to be connected automatically. That means your wallet address is going to show here, okay? So you just scroll up. You can see this request tITL. Just come and tap on it. You can see it. You need 6 consecutive days. That's because I have already claimed mine. So you're going to claim once in 6 days. I believe that's clear enough. But don't forget, you need to have a minimum mining streak of 6 before you can be able to request for the tITL token. If not, it's not going to work. So just come here and close it. Then come to your wallet. If you have not created your wallet, I did a step-by-step video on how you can be able to create your wallet. And the link to that particular video is in the pinned post of my Telegram channel. To join my Telegram channel, tap on the link in the comment section. Join the Telegram channel. Then check the pinned post. You're going to see the links of all the videos I did on Interlink. Then look at the particular video that talks about creating the ITLS wallet. Go through it, use my referral code, and create your ITLS wallet. I believe that's clear enough. So just come and tap on my wallet here. I'll tap on wallet. I'll authenticate my fingerprint. I'll unlock. Then all you need to do is just to scroll up. Okay, just keep scrolling up. You see it here, ITL testnet. Now I want to clarify this. This does not have any financial benefits. They're actually not going to reward you for anything. It is not compulsory. I tried to check their doc and everything, and there is no rewards attached to this. But I was just trying to do some test running to see how this goes. So just come and tap on this. You tap on it. You can see from here that I've already sent some tokens to some persons. But let me still send again. I'll just come and tap on send here. I'll tap on it, send. Then just come to this place, get somebody's wallet, just tap on it. Now to get the person's wallet address, that if you want to send to someone, just tell the person to give you their Ethereum wallet address, because this is EVM compatible, okay? Or they can also send you their BNB wallet address, okay? So once you put it there, just come here and send. Now when you're sending, always send 0.0001. Remember, they are going to charge you a gas fee. You can see the gas fee. It is fixed, 0.000708 tITL, okay? So once you've done that, just come and tap on next. So tap on next. Remember, they said it takes 3 to 5 seconds. So if I tap on confirm now, I tap on confirm. So you can see, by the time the thing processed and it showed submitted, in less than 3 seconds, it was already completed. That's how fast it is. The scalability is very close to the scalability of Solana, of the Solana chain. So after you've sent it, just tap on back to home at the bottom, okay? Then if you scroll up now, you discover that there has been a deduction. You can see it here. And the person is actually going to get the value. That's the tITL token. So the essence of this token is just for you to be able to test the Interlink chain, because the Interlink chain is the Interlink native blockchain. Just like I said, Interlink is building their layer 1 blockchain. I've always been telling you to take Interlink extremely serious. Don't worry, before I finish this video, I'm going to explain all of the things that Interlink has achieved in 1 year and why you should take Interlink extremely serious. So to avoid any confusion, let me just scroll up here. I'll come to this search bar here. For those people that are looking for their EVM wallets, you can see Ethereum here. Just tap on Ethereum. It's always there. Then tap on your receive and just copy the wallet address, okay? You can see the wallet address here. Just tap here and copy it, okay? Then just go back. You go back again. So just like I said, it is not compulsory and it does not have any financial reward attached to it. I just did it just to see it for myself, okay? And I decided to do a video so you just get to know the latest developments on Interlink, okay? So now, in just 1 year, I'm going to highlight the key things Interlink has done and why I always say Interlink is going to cook just like pie, or Interlink is going to cook way more than pie. In short, I'm going to show you why I compared Interlinks to pie right from the onset. Just in case you don't know the vision of Interlinks, in simplicity, Interlinks wants to raise 1 billion verified humans. They call it verified human nodes. And the essence is that they want to eliminate bots. They want to build a strong system of real verified humans. That's the simplest vision or definition of Interlink. I believe that's clear enough. That's why if you observe, everything they do is very strict. Joining the app, you have to do a facial verification. And that facial verification is also very strict. KYC is still very strict, just like Pi. So in 1 year, Interlink has been able to achieve the Interlink chain. And that's this testnet that they are doing now. Trying to test the blockchain, see how scalable it is, see how accurate it is. And once everything is set, then they will launch the mainnet. Interlink also has a trading desk. If you come to this place now, you can see where they said futures. If you tap on this now, you can actually do futures trading in Interlinks. And they have actually reached a trading volume in millions of dollars. You can actually do your research and verify all of these things. Interlinks has a card. If I go back now, you can see that Interlink has a Visa card that connects crypto to real life payments. What that means is that if you have crypto in your Interlink ITLS wallet or any of your crypto wallets, you can connect it to your Interlink card. Then you can make real life payments using your crypto via the Interlink card. That's the Interlink Visa card. So Interlink is integrating crypto into real-life payments. And the most interesting part is that they said in the future they are going to integrate ITLG and ITL, that's their native token, into these payments. So instead of using USDT, USDC, Ethereum, and the likes to make payments, you can use ITL and ITLG to pay for your coffee using your Interlink card. Are you understanding this thing? Interlink is solving a real life problem. Please don't joke with Interlink. I've always been saying this thing. Don't joke with Interlink. Interlink will cook just like pie, or Interlink will cook way more than pie. Pi has been around for 6 years. When Pi was 1 year, Pi did not have all of these developments on ground. Please take Interlinks extremely serious. Now, Interlink has an app ecosystem. You can see different apps. They are inside Interlinks. If you come to your apps here and come to this point here, you can actually see that all of these are apps. If I tap on see all, so you can see that all of these are apps, which shows that Interlinks has an app ecosystem. You can see them. All of these things are applications in the Interlink ecosystem, and this is a good development. Also, Interlink has a developer foundation, and they actually give grants to developers in case you want to develop an app or you want to do anything on their ecosystem. You can actually apply for that grant. And lastly, which is very important, Interlink is already attracting treasury companies before a SEC listing. Interlink has not listed on centralized exchanges, yet treasury companies, they are already accumulating ITL and ITLG in their treasury. I actually shared this in my WhatsApp community. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, join my Telegram channel, link in the comment section. Then check the pinned post. You're going to see the link to my WhatsApp community. Then you join. You can see it here. Public Interlink token treasury companies. So these treasury companies are already accumulating a lot of ITLG tokens. And this is the amount they are actually targeting. 10 million, they've accumulated 2.2 million. 100 million, they've accumulated 21.8 million. So the big question here is, if Interlink does not have a long-term future, a long-term potential, why are these treasury companies accumulating ITLG and ITL even before a centralized listing? Please take Interlink extremely serious, especially those people in my community. Take Interlinks extremely serious. Interlink is going to cook just like pie, or Interlink is going to cook way more than pie. It is your seriousness that is going to determine how much you're going to get from Interlinks. I believe that's clear enough. So basically, this is the latest update in the Interlink ecosystem. Just like I said, this is testnet. It is not compulsory for you to do it. What I recommend is that you should just be consistent and claim the faucet token into your ITLS wallet. Then you can send if you want to, but it is not compulsory. It doesn't have any reward attached to it. I believe that's clear enough. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. For those people that have not joined the Interlinks, I'm going to drop my referral code in the comment section. I'm also going to drop the Interlink video presentation in the comment section. It is also in the pinned post in my Telegram channel. Make sure you join Interlinks today. If you've already joined, make sure you take it extremely serious, okay? Interlink is building something extremely massive. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you or you found any form of value from this video, do what to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also, do what to join our Telegram channel, link in the comment section, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.